So, are you in the market for a new gaming PC but don't want the hassle of building one from scratch? Look no further. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pre-built gaming PCs to help you find the perfect rig for your gaming needs in 2024. So what are you waiting for? Let's hop in. First up, we have the MSI Codex R gaming desktop, featuring an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and the powerful GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card. With 16GB of lightning-fast DDR5 memory and a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, this rig is perfect for both gaming and multitasking. This PC is not like Lenovo IdeaCentre G5, which has very limited powering, upgrading, future, and case. MSI uses their own cases for their builds, which make upgrading possible in the future. Also, they use other competitors' parts, which is great for upgrading in the future. This PC also has many models, so you can choose one which fits in your pocket. Next, we take a look at the Zotac Gaming MEK Hero Gaming Desktop A7647S, boasting an AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processor and the mighty GeForce RTX 4070 Super with 12GB of GDDR6X memory. Combined with 16GB of speedy 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB SSD, this pre-built is a true gaming powerhouse. This PC has great look, ultimate parts for gaming, and it also uses competitors' parts which make upgrading in the future easy. Moving on, we have the Skytech Gaming Archangel Gaming PC Desktop, equipped with an Intel Core i7-12700F processor and the NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 600W Gold PSU, this rig delivers smooth performance and lightning-fast load times. This PC has a great look, and it is the first PC on our list which uses AIO for cooling. This one also has many models for your pocket. Great look with low price. Then, we have again the Skytech Gaming Shadow Gaming PC Desktop, featuring an Intel Core i7-13700F processor and the NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 600W Gold PSU, this pre-built is perfect for gamers who demand the best performance and reliability. This one uses almost the same parts as the other one, but it has different case, CPU, and RGB lighting. Great one for you pocket with many models. Last but not least, we have again the Skytech Kronos Gaming PC Desktop, powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor and the NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 750W Gold PSU, this pre-built is a true beast, ready to handle anything you throw at it. This Skytech PC uses a better GPU and CPU than ones before. It also has different case and AIO. For price, this one gives €200 minus from other competitors with the same specs. Great value for money. Here are all the best PCs for any range, and with awesome upgrading future. All these you can find with link on my bio. So whether you're a casual gamer, a hardcore enthusiast, or anything in between, there's a pre-built gaming PC on this list that's perfect for you. Sit back, relax, and let us help you find your dream gaming rig for 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming content. Happy gaming.